Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Expedition King Ranch. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle's going to be powered by your 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities. We got the lovely King Ranch accents all over this vehicle. Adds a nice sleek look to it. We do get a split gate as well, which I'll just show you. So you got the powered top and the little gate down here. Perfect for tailgate parties or extra workspace, totally up to you. You got the nice cargo mat as well. Can collapse your last row and middle row. They will just go down automatically for you, which is pretty handy. And if something's in the way, which I'm hoping, never mind, there isn't, it will go up automatically, which is pretty nice. Got a reclining third row, cup holders and storage with USB-Cs on either side, hooks and doodads, 120 volt. Got storage under here, and I'm just gonna slide that back up so you can see that it fully works. And to close, you just hit that button right there, and they will go up automatically. Got the lovely King Ranch rims with roof rails for all your cargo necessities. You got the nice silver trim. We got power deployable running boards. Always a plus. They will go up when you close the door as well. Blind spot detection, turn light indicated side view camera. And moving to the front, we got front park sensor. You got recovery hooks underneath as well with the nice bronze accents, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does see up to 7 pretty comfortably. We got the nice King Ranch leathering with the logo on all the seats actually, except for the middle one. Nice brown leathering. Got the light accents, adjustable. You got a little step to get to the back. And the second row is powered. All you have to do is slide it forward. You have access to your back passengers. Pretty handy. Storage in the door, you get quite a bit. The leathering on the door, you got some wood paneling as well. With cup holders, you can put a little tablet in that slot there. Climate controls, heated middle seats, 120 volt USB-Cs on the front seats. And you got a place to put your phone or tablet up here for the back passengers. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a powered driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front with the upgraded B&O sound system. You got power folding mirrors, the nice wood paneling. Got your four-wheel drive with drive modes, your split gate and lift gate, parking brake, and a nice big heads-up display. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we get this nice big heads-up display, like I said earlier. Tells you literally anything y'all want. We got digital speedometer, your digital speedometer right there. Our kilometers sitting at 117,000. Got the nice leather-wrapped steering wheel with your Ford's BlueCruise, engine start stop, little haptic feedback here. So we'll just go through all your settings here. So you want volume, you just boop, boop, pause, play, all that jazz. Here you do get your cruise control, all that jazz, and other settings. It'll just be found here. We got tons of storage to my right here with outlets, Pro Trailer Assist, trailer brake, and this does close, cup holders. We got your normal storage underneath with secret storage. Got some storage here as well. It's all powered and just slides back. Where we do get our gears, parking brake, not parking brake, god damn. What's with me and parking brakes today? Gear select, volume, auto stop and start, park sensing, hazards, and a nice 360 view of the vehicle where you can go through different camera angles. Always handy so you can see what you're doing. Traction and hill. Nice big infotainment system that is going to be fully powered by Google. And above my head here we got our features for our powered twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle with your garage door transmitter. Now looking at our infotainment system here, once again fully powered by Google. You have your phone, personal profiles, and audio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM. You got Google News, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. All your climate controls conveniently at the bottom. Heated and cooling front seats, automatic seats as well, dual climate. And looking here, you have all your settings such as your auto hold, driver memory for the driver's seat and mirrors, lighting, brightness, your climate lock, valet mode, all that jazz. You can fiddle around with the vehicle like this and open your split gate. All your apps will be found in here, and it's based off profiles and necessities, all that jazz. Google Maps, Play Store, Assist, YouTube, games. I'm gonna click into there. You can play Asphalt Nitro 2. You can add more games. It's actually a pretty fun game to play. And all your widgets are here. So what I mean by widgets, they will show up in here like you see with gauges. What's an easy one to show up? We got the weather. So it is just going to show up right there, which is all pretty handy. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EA41704, and you can head on out of PG Ford or give us a call.